What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Let's talk some Turbo Crypto, right? One of the meme coins that's been absolutely exploding right here on the chart. I want to show you guys what's actually going down and kind of a little bit of an insight within some of the holders that have had extreme gains. All right, we're going to get into that. We're going to take a dive into what Turbo actually is and look at the chart, and then I'll get you guys on your way. So let's get down into it. Please, if you have not yet done so, join the channel here, subscribe today. Smash that like button, and please let me know down below in the comments what your thoughts are on Turbo, right? It's trendy right now. Everybody knows about it. There's a lot of FOMO. So I wanted to make a video, kind of go over some of the nuts and bolts about it. And let's get down into it, okay? So please remember, not financial advice. These are just my opinions that I'm expressing to you. Please do your own research and due diligence, all right? And we're seeing Turbo kind of on a little bit of a correction, right? Look at this absolute green escalator. This is what you like to see in the meme coin space. So shout out to anybody who got in back basically April 28th or before, or quite frankly, early in the day, May 20th, right? Before we had this huge green candle. Now this is the daily chart, and this is looking extremely bullish. If we zoom in a little bit, you can see kind of a correction where we got as high as that 2096 mark, and it now have since retreated to 2072. So I did tell some people in a live stream that I was looking for a Turbo on a pullback, a little bit of a correction. I might try to get in if we get any lower. Usually when these meme coins pump, we do get another go around, another leg up. So it's going to be very interesting to see what happens. And currently we're sub $500 million market cap. Some of the other cryptos that I've got into, meme coin wise, usually end up without, if I have any prior knowledge, it usually ends up being around at $400 million. So we're getting close to that where I'd be looking for an entry point. But going strong, 28,000 plus holders for Turbo. And we'll take a quick look into their page on X. Over 57,000 followers, a lot of big name people within the space following this. And it's the first AI generated meme coin. So kind of a play on, I guess, I don't even know what you would call that, but it's a yellow frog, I'm guessing. So very interesting. The Turbo Toad token, all right? Absolutely insane run on the charts. And let's get into somewhat of a story about an investor losing by selling on Turbo too soon, missing out on a potential $4 million gain. Share with you guys what that's all about. But first, I do want to take time to go in today's channel sponsor. This is Margex. So if you guys trade on leverage, make sure you use my link down below in the description and get signed up with Margex today. Enjoy over up to 100x leverage trading. And by using my link, you can claim up to a $10,000 bonus just by signing up, using my link, and trading with Margex, okay? Very good stuff. There's a copy trading feature within Margex where a lot of users and traders have been making extreme gains, doing some leverage trading within Bitcoin, Ethereum when they had their run up, as well as a lot of other cryptos out there in the market. So like I said, there's no KYC. Be very careful with trading with leverage. It's very volatile. Make sure you do your own research and diligence and make sure that Margex is right for you. And by all means, get started trading with Margex today. Sign up with my link down below. But back into the story. Let's talk about these $4 million in gains, right? This is BTC12. That's the investor that's been identified, BTC12 Capital, right? Substantially $4 million if they would have held a little bit longer, okay? This is where you look on chain, and this was the post on X. They bought $1.14 million to buy Turbo on May 7th and sold it at a loss of 58% 5 days later. If they would have held it from today, that would have been a $4 million gain. So, well, it would have been, over $4 million in profits. Very, very interesting. So that's why I like to tell people, and it's not financial advice, obviously, but I've learned the hard way where when you do have a big runner, right, a meme coin that explodes, my strategy is, always leave that moon bag. Don't sell completely out. Take your initial out. Get the win under your belt. Stacking wins is the biggest thing within crypto right now. And within these meme coins that are exploding, if I can 2, 3, 4, 5x my money, and I can do that 10 times, then you can do the math. That is a 20, 30, 40, 50x in terms of profit. So that's kind of how I play it. I don't always go for the home run. Always take my initial out and leave a moon bag. That's kind of my philosophy, okay? So how is Turbo doing now? Well, this was, in full disclosure, this was done back yesterday, this article. So the charts and stuff are probably a little bit out of kind of the realm of what's going on right now, but this is where we've seen the high, like I told you, above 2095, getting as high and above those upper limits of the Bollinger Bands So it's continuing to show strong momentum. Also, the average directional index, another TA little tidbit there, is at a high value of 6490, which is generally viewed as a very positive uptrend, very powerful momentum. Okay, so will we see more bullishness for Turbo? I firmly believe so. But as we look into the chart, this is something where, this correction is something that was all but kind of expected, right? You can't be flat. I mean, they were basically dust back here in June, and then all of a sudden, boom, flat, a little micro pump, and then a little bigger pump, and then this third run up was absolutely insane. I'd love to know why and what caused this. I think we're going to get more information a little bit later down the road, but I wanted to shed some light on this and give you guys my insight. Like I said, let me know in the comments if you guys got into the turbo wave, and I'm very curious to hear some of your guys' stories if you're able to make some profits. So appreciate you guys watching. As always, please subscribe on your way out. Smash that like button. I appreciate you watching, like I said, and we'll see you guys all in the next video. Peace.